Hi guys, and welcome back to our video for today, the 25th of November 2025. So let's go through my watch list, what stocks are on it, how do we trade them, and what is next for these stocks. So starting here with NUKK, bit of a classic one here. Falling wedge breakouts against one-day resistance, entered around 6 to 6.1 area, then 4% first target, and ran 3 times the first target, over 3 times the first target, 4 times the first target. So the remaining shares ran nicely on this. Selling first target of plus 16%. So hence would double the amount of money as I usually do on this one due to a compromised shorter first target in a more difficult market. But yeah, both the 80 EMA, Bollinger Band Center, 60 EMA, 200 EMA, and 200 MA down here. Significant volume, and yeah, it came in nice one and done for me. For market hours, 25% of the account. Entered around 6 to 6.1. My first target was 3 to 4%, so I sold at 4% on that one. And yeah, sold 90% of NUKK. And my trade review is here, so if you're in the Discord, you can click on the trade review and watch how I did it to find trades like that all by yourself in a difficult market. So, what is next for this stock? Obviously, we've just traded it, so we want to know what's next, how far these remaining shares are going to run. So I'd watch this in 15 minutes, to be honest, and I'd wait for a reaccumulation in the 15-minute time frame. It's a slower mover. It's got an up thrust over here at 6.99, and we need to break that to continue up towards 7.5. And yeah, we're just going to meander and consolidate between 6 to 7.5 like this. That's why I've gone on a 15-minute time frame, because it's very much a slower mover. And to be honest, I don't think. I mean, we need to break over. We need a 15-minute close over 6.44 continuation. It's a bit too hard to see if it'll come to a 7.5 today. I don't think it will. But you know, on the downside anyway, if we lose 6 here, 5-minute close beneath 6, we're coming down to 5.5, and it might reverse but past 1 p.m. Eastern time like this. That's price action. Come down, then break 6 again. Then you can draw the wedge in the price action and trade it again for the exact same trade we did, breaking 6 and then like a 4%, 5% maybe first target for a bit more. Seen it's run quite a bit since. If it were to break out later in the day. So yeah, I'd keep an eye for that. I think it'll be around this price tomorrow, to be honest. So I don't think it'll be a massive sell-off. If it loses 5, it's done. So keep that in mind on the 5-minute time frame. So the 4-hour. So for a bit of a swing on this, the 4-hour close over 7.5 would be really good, because it'd be a complete breakout, which is trying to do now, which basically has done, to be honest. But we've got rejection here on the 200. This is simple exponential moving average at 7.5. So not only is the resistance at 7.5, it's also 200 exponential moving average at 7.5. So yes, you can break 5. Yes, you can break the 60 EMA. Yes, you can break the 200 MA over here, but you still got the 200 EMA and 7.5 to break. So 4-hour close over 7.5 by 1:30 Eastern time today, or just generally, to be honest. Should see it continue more towards 9.5, I think. I do like that for a swing. Something I'm going to keep an eye on. A daily close over 7.5. Reclaim the 60 EMA here. We'll also see it come, I think, towards 9.5 again. So death cross retest on 200 exponential moving average at 9. Yeah, daily close over 7.5. I could definitely see 9 hitting on this. Looks a good swing trade. So look for 4-hour close over 7.5 for a swing trade. And yeah, you should be sorted on this towards 9 and 9.5. So looks good, but a 5-minute close beneath 5 and it's done, in my opinion. So next we'll have a look at AEHL. I was watching this, didn't enter. It did break out though. So I was watching this over 3. It's a bit choppy, but yeah, it looks like it's ran up towards the next resistance. So for a day trade now, obviously we can't trade it breaking 3. It's done that. So you'll be looking for a falling wedge breakout against 3.5 with at least 3 touches beside the wedge. You've only got 2 here as it stands. One at the top here, another one at the top here. We've got 3 at the bottom. That's right. We've only got 2 at the top. So we need a new 5-minute candle. It's not ready yet. So from 11:15 onwards, a push over 3.5 should see it continue for at least 6 to 8%. If it loses, I'm just gonna move this up. If it loses 2.65, it will be done, in my opinion. So if 5-minute close over beneath 2.65, it's done. Push over 3.5 to plus let's call it 8% move. I would say for a day trade. The 4-hour time frame looks really good. So 4-hour close over 3.5. Should see it continue, in my opinion, towards 4.5, the next level. So engulfing the 200 exponential moving average and 200 simple moving average, and engulfing the resistance at 3.5. The green candle close over 3.5 by 1:30 Eastern time, or just generally, just see it continue towards 4.5, in my opinion. Looks good. AEHL, just keep an eye on that. And you know what level it needs to lose for it to be done, so keep an eye on that too. Don't be a bag holder. Follow your trading plan. And now for a daily time frame and a daily close over 3.5 for continuations. This one pumped up yesterday and it's continuing, it looks like. So we rejected from 2.65, so I'm surprised it continued up today. But yeah, daily close over 3.5 would engulf the 200 MA on the daily, which is good. I don't know where the EMA is on this, miles away. And yeah, daily close over 3.5, should see it come towards 4.5, I think. And then we can look at trending up higher and higher. So that's that one AEHL. Keep an eye over 3.5 for a day trade for 8% move. And then a 4-hour close or a daily close over 3.5, should see it continue. Decent amount for a swing trade. Just keep an eye on that level to lose as well. So coming on to the last one now, CETY. So I was watching this in pre-market. Did miss it, but I caught two winners anyway. On Ruby, RUBI, and I can't remember what the other one was. I shouldn't be doing this in the video, but you can see here my process and methodology. So BNED as well. So entered BNED as well. So for a little win. So that one's obviously pushed up since 8:30 entry. That way entered at 12 minutes past 9 Eastern time. 12 past 2 in the UK. So anyway, for looking at CETY here, I push over 2.45 for an entry on this. Wouldn't trust it now because it's below the Bollinger Band Center, despite the fact it's breaking resistance at 1.85. So when below the Bollinger Band Center, you're 65% more likely to remain beneath the Bollinger Band Center, and therefore 65% more likely to reject from this price point of currently 1.92. So I'd avoid it until the next resistance is broken at 2.45. Look for an 8% first target. Don't care if it runs 1,000,000% in between. I just stick to my trading plan. It always pays me back. Hence why I had a winner on BNED, winner on RUBI, and a winner on NUKK. So yeah, for a day trade, look for a push over 2.45. If it loses 1.45, I think it's done on this one. So looking at the 4-hour time frame, don't like it for swing trade at all. Pump and dump in my opinion. A 4-hour close over 2.45 would be good. Because it currently just like a strong top wick and wick off distributions, people selling their shares against 2.45, and yeah, I think the bears are in control of this 4-hour candle. So the 4-hour close over 2.45, full continuation towards 3. But yeah, I don't like this for a swing trade at all, to be honest. Daily time frame, again, a daily close over 2.45 is needed. Clean rejection from the 60 EMA, top of the Bollinger Band, so 95% price action takes place from the navy line at the top and the navy line at the bottom here. And yeah, it looks like we're going to fit in that, even more so with rejection from the top of this area, 2.45, top of the Bollinger Band and the 60 EMA and the 1-day resistance. Don't like it for a swing trade, I'd avoid it. But for a day trade, you can look for a 2.45 break, and if you lose 1.45, we're done. So that's it for today. So again, if you like all these green trades, BNED, Ruby, and obviously NUKK with a trade review on how to do it, as well as day trades from Phoenix, Fox, 4 different types of options trades. We've currently got 2 live streams on right now. We've got one with Fox going over his positions, and we've got another one with Harry, one of the options traders. We've got 4 options, like I say. So we've got everything, as well as swings as well. And bottle ups, we have everything. How to do it, trade reviews, seminars, publicized trading journals, everything. So you can check us out, link in the video description or in the Twitter bio. So thanks guys, and I'll catch you all tomorrow.